Robert Oppenheimer was a prominent American physicist and is often referred to as the father of the atomic bomb. He played a pivotal role in the development of the atomic bomb during World War II as the scientific director of the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project was a top-secret research and development program initiated in 1939 with the goal of creating an atomic bomb. It was named after the Manhattan Engineer District of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, which was responsible for overseeing the project. The project brought together scientists, engineers, and military personnel to work on various aspects of nuclear physics, chemistry, and engineering. Oppenheimer, a brilliant physicist, was appointed as the scientific director of the Los Alamos Laboratory, the primary research facility for the Manhattan Project. He assembled a team of scientists and oversaw their efforts to design and build the atomic bomb. Oppenheimer's leadership and expertise were instrumental in the successful development of the bomb. The culmination of the Manhattan Project came with the testing of the first atomic bomb, codenamed Trinity, on July 16, 1945, in New Mexico. The test proved that the bomb was feasible and led to the subsequent deployment of atomic bombs against the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, hastening the end of World War II. However, Oppenheimer's involvement in the Manhattan Project and the creation of such a devastating weapon had a profound impact on him. After witnessing the destructive power of the atomic bomb, Oppenheimer became increasingly concerned about the consequences of nuclear weapons and their potential for mass destruction. He famously quoted the Bhagavad Gita, saying, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds," reflecting his conflicted emotions regarding his role in the atomic bomb's development. After the war, Oppenheimer became an advocate for international control of nuclear weapons and played a significant role in the establishment of the United States Atomic Energy Commission, AEC. However, during the early years of the Cold War, he faced scrutiny and was accused of having communist sympathies. This led to the revocation of his security clearance in 1954. Despite the controversies, Oppenheimer's contributions to the development of the atomic bomb and his subsequent concerns about nuclear weapons left an indelible mark on history. His involvement in the Manhattan Project remains a significant part of his legacy, and he is widely regarded as one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century.